Rodriguez. 1590s, Campbell.
I'm tasked to help the relief effort in Columbia and Charleston, South Carolina, because of the dams that have broken.
Well, I mean, I do it because I like to help people, and going out and getting away from my regular civilian job and getting to go out and help my state and support them. It's good. It makes you feel good.
That's the good shot right there.
Okay. How long you been a guard?
About a year and a half now, sir.
Your first deployment?
Yes, sir.
You nervous?
A little bit, sir.
All right.